everybody, welcome to the channel Travel with Meg, and today we have Paras with us. And recently, Paras got the visa for studying in University of Bologna in engineering department. So, welcome Paras, welcome to the channel, and congratulations.
Thank you, Max. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for inviting me over here.
So let's go step by step. Okay.
Sure.
So the first question is like, how much amount of money have you showed for the visa?
Well, my closing balance was of 11 lakhs, exit 11. I think 2-3,000 up and down. So it was my total balance that I showed for my visa.
Okay.
So nearly the requirement is almost 12,000 euro for the master's degree. So that I have covered.
Around nearby, yeah. So who was your sponsor?
Sponsor was my father. He wrote a sponsor letter for me. I wrote and he signatured into that letter. Then I notarized that letter. I also enclosed my father ID proof, the PAN card, the Aadhaar card, and I also notarized my father's business certificate with the sponsor letter. So these are the documents that I attached with sponsorship letter.
Okay, so you have showed the money in your father's account or yours account, your bank account?
No, in my father's account only. Father is a businessman, and I showed the ITR of previous 3 years, and I also showed the bifurcation of all the ITRs, like the computation of income and the balance sheet at the end of year. And I think it is the most important part that many candidates are missing nowadays, because many of are just attaching the acknowledgement of ITR. So I think bifurcation of ITR is also must included, so that consulate can understand the source of income and continuity of income. So I included all the balance sheet with these ITRs.
And since when you started doing, planning for funding?
I was in a confusion part initially. I don't know how to manage the account, but I have gone to the YouTube videos, and even your video I've been through, and from that I came to know that we don't have to do the amount whole sum in 1 day or 2 days. We just have to maintain the continuity in transaction. Like deposit some amount at initial stage, we can withdraw after some days, then again deposit amount. So I was maintaining this consistency from the month of April, and at the last my closing balance was 11 lakhs. So in this manner I maintained my account.
And then obviously you didn't take any loan, nothing. Okay, you just showed your father's.
No, I haven't.
Okay, when you exactly applied for the visa?
I didn't apply DOV and visa together. I would like to talk about the DOV, because I applied separately. On the 28th of July I applied DOV, and then in the month of August I applied for visa on the 18th of August. Yes. And my travel date was 18th of September. So I exactly gave the perfect 1 month to the consulate to decide my visa. So, yeah.
1 month.
And yeah, even I got my passport dispatch message on the 17th of September.
Okay.
Before 1 day of my journey.
Okay, so what about the flight tickets and about the insurance?
Flight tickets, I took original flight. I booked the original flight from the Emirates, and they are providing flexible tickets. There is a category in which you can book the fully refundable flight tickets. They are charging, if you cancel the tickets, then they are just deducting the GST taxes, and it will be around 1500 or 2000 Indian rupees. So it's just a nominal charges if something goes wrong. So I took a risk and I booked the original tickets. For insurance, I purchased from the Bajaj Allianz, and it was for the 1 year period. It costed me around 6,000 rupees. And it was starting on the same date of my journey.
Of the journey, obviously. It should not start after the date of your journey. It should start
exactly
on the date of your journey.
We should consider this date precisely, because many are making mistakes in these dates too. So,
anything you want to add on about the visa process?
I think everyone should make their cover letter strong. To the professional, it should sound technically good and impressive, many are making mistakes in even in formatting. Many I have seen many cover letter for the reference on YouTube. They are just creating cover letter as simple like we don't find any uh, professionality into it. So
You're right.
make sure you include everything, and there is no space to any grammar mistake, at least in these 2 pages. I mean, I was reading every day 2-3 times, and I was correcting little things every day.
Like how much you paid for your flight ticket? I mean, the one you booked for 10th of October.
It costed me almost 50,000.
50,000, expensive. But like luggage, how much luggage is allowed?
30 kg check-in luggage and 7 kg cabin luggage. I'm thinking to cancel it, and I'm going to book another ticket also, because they are giving cheap airlines like Lufthansa and other airlines. I was looking for it, but I haven't decided what I'm going to book. So,
have you tried for Qatar Airways?
no,
Qatar Airways.
I have to refresh on it. Yeah.
Okay. Because Qatar Airways, because when I came here in Italy, I paid 18,000 rupees for my ticket.
Yeah, I've seen that video.
Yeah, but unfortunately, what happened? I didn't receive my visa on time, so I cancelled it, and I again pay like around 5,000 to 7,000 rupees more, and then I booked for another day. Yeah, please tell about your course. What exactly your course is about in Bologna? Your master's.
My master's course is all about the civil engineering. In particularly, I will choose the structural engineering, and I am more interested in the structure portion, because since my bachelor, I was always interested to explore this field, because all the projects were totally based on this field, and I've done also research in this field. Like I've designed many STED Pro software, which are the civil engineering softwares, in which we are designing the structures of all the huge skyscrapers and bridges and all these other buildings, we can say. So it is all about this designing and structure related.
Yeah. Great. And what about your scholarship?
I'm waiting for the result. I applied for the Ergo, but I'm waiting for the result.
Yeah, one thing I almost forgot about accommodation.
One thing I would like to ask. I haven't seen your video in the Bologna University. Like I was looking for the Bologna University video. I didn't find on any other channel as well.
Actually, when I was in Emilia Romagna region few days back, I had the option to go to either Parma or to Bologna. So Bologna was little far, and the train timings was not like feasible for me. And I was having my luggage, and in Italy it's not very common for you to find locker rooms in the train stations. Okay. So that's why I dropped the plan of Bologna. Anyway, Bologna is near to Pisa. I mean, it will take around 2 hours to 3 hours to reach there, so I can go there anytime. Yeah, but I will go. Anyway, you are going, right? So you will be shooting the video and then sending me the video.
Yes, I try. No, like I would like to thank you, and yes, I would like to congratulate also for 10,000 subscribers.
Thank you. Yeah.
And you are doing amazing job. Thank you so much. I've seen lots of your videos, and I am really thankful to you for that. And to the students who are waiting for the visa, I would like to ask them to do not worry. Do not get afraid from the negative news. I was in the same boat in which you are now. I was also afraid by watching the results of other candidates. So do not get scared. Just work upon your documents properly, precisely. Prepare them so strong. You will get your visa. And just pray to the God. And God always has better plan for all of us.
Obviously, so don't get panicked. Yeah, that's it, Paras. So thank you so much for coming on the channel and giving us an opportunity to know about you and about your experience. And I will be very happy to meet you here in Italy once you will be here at University of Bologna, and we can do more videos in future, right? So you can tell your experience about your classes, how it's going on, about scholarship, how you got the scholarship.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Okay, guys. So thank you so much
Bye.
for watching Travel with Mike. Till the time. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Ciao ciao. In your
Ciao.
slang.